very much time.
Very good. First time I say second boat is people. These people, second boat. And first time I listened, I seen in my 72 years old. First time this woman, I don't know how many things doing here. Very good, very good. I like you people.
Well, we're all a team.
Together
we can do it.
Man, and this
Together
was
we
a
can
team.
do it.
First time I meet you. I said, woman, first, this great woman, people like, much happy. God bless you people. One of this
You've been so supportive of my work. We're so blessed.
I'm really thankful for this team.
We're very thankful to them too.
Yeah, really, they're so nice and loving. Came all the way from Hawaii, giving us a best service to explore. We have to thank God for them. They are really a blessing to us. So we need this place to run.
Yes.
We really need the government to help us. Because we only pay a couple of $100, but if we can't even afford to go overseas. And for them to spend their time and money all the way, we're so thankful.
We're very, very thankful for them too.
Yes, very much.
Do everything to support them. But thank
And
you.
we'll thank you too for coming to us, to see us today.
Yeah.
Bisa mulu, bisa kayu, timbul bila, bisa sikit. Jangan dokter bina.
Yeah.
Number one.
Very good.
Sa pinakatingin, may tomorrow. So maybe walking around, consume beautiful. Totoo ko sir. Okay, kung check it out. No one will do it.
One of our favorite places, however, is Fiji. We've been coming here for 15 years and various capacities. But our favorite place here is Ba Vision here in Ba, where we've been coming for 2 years. We are entirely volunteers, and we're particularly impressed by this clinic because this is serving the blind poor who can't afford to travel to the capital, and even if they could, they can't afford private medical care. So there's a sliding scale here where patients pay nothing if they're poor, and they pay a small amount if they are able to. But this is a self-sustaining clinic. We're very impressed. We may come twice a year to visit here, but they're open every day with eye injuries and different eye infections and people needing glasses. And then we volunteers come twice or more a year and do surgery on the cataract patients. It went very well. He is a remarkable man, and I enjoyed talking with him. And he understands some of the issues that we have, as I say, this business of restricting surgeons to be supervised for months. And I mean, how can I be supervised for months? I live in Hawaii. You know, I mean, it's just not practical. I know there have been some problems bringing students here who are maybe unsupervised, and there have been some issues, but I think laws need to be written carefully. You shouldn't just say, no foreign doctors without supervision. Maybe the foreign doctors know more than the local doctor. You need to find out who is it, and then write. And the Attorney General, as an attorney, he understands the importance of that. Namely, you have to craft a law carefully if you're going to make a law, you know. So, but he was very sympathetic to that. He also may be able to help us with shipping of supplies and so forth. We asked him perhaps if the government could encourage airlines to, when we send medical equipment, to perhaps give us a courtesy shipment of our medical supplies. Otherwise, we not only volunteer and pay our own rooming and airplane and everything, but we have to pay to ship the things to keep the clinic going. And so we're happy to buy them and ship them, but we hate to have to pay for the freight, you know, if we can. So he also offered to, but the main thing was he understands the relationship between ourselves and the private doctors. I'm a private doctor where I practice, and I would be concerned if somebody came next door and started doing free surgery, how would I make a living? But we're talking about specialists in Suva, and here we are in the country, and we're not competing with them. Because as I said, these are people who can't get there, and if they could, they couldn't pay for it. So it's like two whole worlds. There's the world of well-to-do people who can go to the capital and get private care, and then there's another population of people here in the countryside who we can take care of. And they're willing to, you know, for us to come here and help them. And we bring donations and equipment, supplies with us, generously donated, because I can give all my time free, but I can't provide all the supplies that we need for several hundred cataract surgeries. You should see the number of boxes of supplies that come with us, and that's all donated. See? And so anyway, the AG was I could tell he's a very intelligent man, and he understood exactly, and he asked some very important questions of us, which made it clear to me that he understood what we were talking about. So it was great to meet him, and he came back again. He was in the operating room yesterday with me, and I was explaining what we're doing, and he was very interested, looking through the microscope to see for himself how the surgery is done. And then he was so interested that he came back today to see the patients that he watched having surgery yesterday. And they're all smiles and excited. So he was, I think, very impressed. I'm quite impressed by him as a person, by the way. I think he has a career ahead of himself. Anyway, it was a personal as well as a professional relationship. I really enjoyed that.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for helping us tell our story.
I am.
Okay, one more time, big smile. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.